Russ, AB Normal Outdoors again. Real quick tip. You just went out there, you purchased your traps, you got them, they're brand new. The easiest and cheapest way to clean these, you need to clean these, they come coated in oil. In fact, my hands are getting black just from handling these. But the cheapest and fastest way I've learned to clean these is just a 5-gallon bucket, some Dawn soap, warm water, and a scrub brush. Paintbrush, old paintbrush. Get all the oil off these guys that you can. Me, I like doing it outside. I grab my traps. I grab what they call brake cleans for working on your cars. You can use starting fluid, which is ether. I'll try to do this on the air. And I just spray them down, guys. Real quick, doesn't take much. And why I want to do that is I want to strip that off. Now I'm done with these traps. It don't take much. Now I'm going to hang them on the trap tree. I'm going to let Mother Nature take its course. I want a layer of rust on these. In Ohio humidity, it's 85, almost 90 degrees a day, 70% humidity. Ain't going to take these long to dry or to rust up on me. But I don't want killer rust on them, but I want a fine layer, for they'll take the color, guys. We need to dye these traps, and we're going to go over that method. But there's your quick short little video of how you do your new traps. If you don't want to spend money on this stuff, use the Dawn soap. It works just as good. Just scrub them up, get the oil off of them, hang them up outside. Real easy. Guys, thank you. Thanks for all your comments, likes, and shares, and God bless.